All right, we're in day 3 of Vlogmas, and it is pretty decently cool this morning, or cold. As far south as Arizona, it looks like that they're gonna have like freeze warnings. So the temperature says 47 degrees, but me and my passion for cold temperatures and cold weather, I can say that it feels more like 41 to 39. Downside of our place is that they've never fixed this pool in time for our side. So if we want to go swimming in the hot season, we got to go to the other side of the apartment complex in order to swim. So I figured they should just turn this into like a bowl for skaters to like skate and enjoy. Gas is a little cheaper today. $2.99 a gallon. Not bad at all. I had to stop by and get a Spam, egg, and potato burrito. And it's over here by the Native American Hospital. But they make some really good ones. These are delicious. Favorite part of the day is when all the kids are at school. Because then I can clean up, get the house really nice and clean, and it'll stay clean for a couple of hours. If you got kids, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So, plus two, there's a dude coming over today to replace my stove because my oven broke. And yeah, so we didn't use the oven for Thanksgiving. We used an electric oven roaster, which the turkey came out good and everything. Believe you me, it did. But they're coming today to replace my oven, so yeah, gotta get this done. Doesn't take me long. When my kids are gone to school, it takes me like less than half an hour to clean downstairs. When they're here, it takes longer because they're getting up, walking through, and it's like, stop walking through where I mopped. But they still do it. I've never understood why. Now, for a lot of people out there who were on beta and still are on beta, you know, this is not going to be entirely big news for you guys because obviously you were beta testing this before it went full, you know, rolled out everybody type release. So anyways, also while you're in, hit the like button, say what's up, and let me know how you guys enjoying these Vlogmas vlogs. Going to my local Fry's supermarket, and they got these little phones here for sale. They're that simple. Get the Moto G Play. And we got that by Total by Verizon. Only a 64 gig. That's crazy.
Ramen noodle and stuff like that. It's like a Firebird house.
Now, what looks good? They got Modelo's. But no lunch deals, because it's not lunchtime. Obviously, it's a quick dinner date. Yeah, this Vlogmas thing is going pretty good. Thank you. It's nice to get out though. Kids got their own dinner tonight, so we're good on ours. Yep, we knocked those wings out. So that does it with day 3 of Vlogmas. I'm going home. Well, we are going home. And then we are going to bed. It's time to rest. So, see you guys tomorrow.